Today I am cooking fish, salmon fish, with my style. I hope you will like it. Mm, it was not pre-planned, but I just started to make a video for you guys, and let's see. Are you hungry or not?
Yeah, I'm super duper hungry.
Okay, but otherwise you have to be wait 20 minutes more.
Yay! It's almost there. It's almost hot.
First, I chopped onions and I let them for fry, and then I am adding some. This is called dana methi in the fry in a while. So they will cook little bit, and they will the smell of dana methi will be penetrate with the onion. So I will cook little bit uh, until it's little golden, little brown, not a golden brown, but little cook. And then I am using these salmon. This is wild fresh salmon. It's very good and super healthy. It's the healthiest fish. And then I will, when it will be little bit fry or cook. Now it's keep stirring, and then after is see, you can see that now it is almost done. So now I will start to put my ingredients. This is salt. I am adding salt. I'm not using any measurement because it's only for a few people of my house. So I'm very expert how much the ingredient we can use. I'm just sharing my recipe how I cook, but I'm not just teaching you how to cook it. So keep seeing and enjoy my cooking with my family. And then I am, because I was not finding the big bottle of salt, so I use my little one, because the first big one was empty. Now I am using some coriander powder in it, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, and this is the fourth one, fourth, and this is fourth and half, 4.5 teaspoon, because my husband like the gravy curry, so I'm using some. I keep more gravy. And this is the mustard powder. I'm using the mustard powder in it. I put the 1/2 teaspoon, and then now chili flakes I use it with 1 teaspoon, and then 2 teaspoon, and little more. And now I grounded the garlic, fresh garlic, and ginger. So I always use the fresh one most of the time. So I add in the oil with the onion, and then I will cook the masala. Means the ingredient, because the if you will it will be cooked, then it will give good aroma. Now I cover it and wait for a few seconds. I am adding nutmeg. This is, I think, jaifal or javitri. I'm confused about it. A pinch of nutmeg. It's not necessary. It's up to you.
Okay, Mom.
Keep stirring. No, so much cooking. And now I'm adding some tomatoes. Um, my style is not good because I had to use the chopping board, but I didn't use it because lack of time, and I covered it again for cooking. Now they are a little bit. I covered it and waiting for it. Uh, Actually, I was cooking some. So I was baking something with it, so I uploaded another video for my baking. And so this now when the all the ingredient cook little bit, then I am adding the salmon in it. I will not use so much spoon with it after putting the salmon in the curry, because if you will keep on using and stirring and mixing, then it will be not good for your fish. So just take out your spoon. Now I take a I think 1.5 cup of yogurt. I beat it and then I will add in my fish, because this is the main ingredient. Some people fry the fish separately and then add it because they don't like the smell of the fish, but this fish has no any smell, and it is the best if you will cook with the gravy and everything. No smell. Now I will stirring, mixing yogurt with the gravies like this. Looks so beautiful. Now I covered it. I cook it little bit and then I am again checking it how it cooked, how much time left, and now I'm little bit stirring to check to check it, and it still needs some time. It's not very it not time taking process, but you have to give time to tender the fish. Now I am using some coriander leaves and some grounded garam masala, whole spice is for very good for the aroma and for taste too. So I'm adding because the fish almost mm, oh, 3/4 has done, and now I will use the green chili in the end when it will be ready, because it will be so spicy for my kids. I love spicy, but they too, that is okay, but not so much. Now it's almost. Up now I will let them for cooking for I let them for cooking 15 minutes more, so all the ingredient will cook very well together and will make a good taste in the gravy. So I cover it, and now my yummiest salmon fish is ready and everyone like it. So I think you enjoy my cooking, and I will bring next time with better and good recipe. Thank you for seeing
Mom,
me.
it's